Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Erste Bank card. First, when your new card arrives in the mail, carefully review the accompanying letter for specific activation instructions. It's important to check that all your personal details printed on the card are accurate. This initial check helps prevent any issues during the activation process. Make sure you have your card and any related documents handy. Erste Bank offers several convenient ways to activate your new card. You can choose to activate it digitally through their secure online banking platform or by using the Erste Bank mobile app. Alternatively, for a more traditional approach, you can visit any Erste Bank ATM. If you prefer speaking with someone, calling the dedicated customer service number is also an option. Select the method that best suits your needs. For online or app activation, begin by logging into your Erste Bank online banking account or the mobile app using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Card Services or Card Activation section. You will then be prompted to enter specific card details, such as the card number and possibly a security code. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and confirm your activation to finalize the process. To activate at an ATM, simply insert your new Erste Bank card and follow the prompts on the screen. You will likely need to enter your 4-digit PIN. For phone activation, dial the customer service number found on your card or bank documents. Be prepared to provide your card number and other personal details for verification. Always ensure you are in a private setting when sharing sensitive information over the phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.